All right, San Antonio, my name is Dale. I'm with Southwest Exteriors. I'm the installation leader here. We do window siding, doors, and paint. We are going to talk today about stucco and some things that you may want to consider with your stucco home or your combo stucco home. So stay tuned. Stucco is the concrete barrier that's on the outside of your house in the place of siding. So stucco is put on in multiple layers. Usually there's a substrate and some sort of wire mesh with a vapor barrier between them. And then there's layered on concrete, and sometimes you'll have stucco banding, which will be the maybe 4-inch trim looking material that goes around your windows. With stucco, there's a lot of things that come along with that. So depending on the age of your house, you may have very old stucco. Some have exposed pebbles, some have smooth surfaces, rough surfaces, textured different ways. It's all stucco essentially. The issues that typically you'll see first off are going to be cracking. And so cracking can come in many forms. Here in San Antonio, it comes because obviously the ground moves a lot here, as everyone should know. And that causes a lot of problems with stucco. All right, so you have stucco on your home, and then you have some other siding condition that butts up to your stucco. So whether that's wood or some other material, you have two materials that are coming together with the stucco and the other material. So the best thing you can do in that situation is remove any material that is organic, such as wood or any sort of press board or any of those types of materials or sidings, and actually replace that with something that's a little more similar and kind of gives you the same durability. So Hardie Siding is obviously a great option for that. So you're doing a few things. So you're removing the wood up above that can potentially rot and have issues in the future, and then leak behind your stucco and rot out the wall. So a lot of houses in San Antonio end up in this situation where you've had something go wrong with your siding, and then it leaks down the wall, and you end up having to replace stucco, and it gets far more costly at that point. So with James Hardie, it gives you a few different things. So we're taking everything apart. So once we've pulled everything apart and we've taken that old siding off, we'll be able to see if there's any sort of substrate or issues behind there, and then we'll be able to put a complete new vapor barrier on and actually tie that into the stucco above, and then get the new Hardie siding on there. So you're going from cement wall to cement board. Then you add painting into that, and then you get a great warranty on top of that with Southwest Exteriors. And really it is kind of the best situation for San Antonio because there's stucco everywhere in San Antonio. Everybody sees it, everybody sees what happens to it, everybody knows it's kind of a pain in the butt. At the end of the day, you have a product that can work well and seamlessly with it if it's done properly. And hiring a company that does that is super important, whether it's Southwest Exteriors or someone else. It is a really great way to go, especially in this environment where the sun blasting and all of the different things we have going on and all of the potential for rot, and it's just a lot. So kind of going with the option that's going to give you the best protection and seamlessly go into your transition into your stucco is a really great way to go. All right, so hopefully that gave you some information about stucco and kind of gives you a direction to go in. If you would like more information, please feel free to contact us with the link wherever it happens to be this time, and we'll see you soon.